Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I bring you a super delicious recipe. These are monster cookies, my style. And if you're new to my channel, another warm welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. I begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I line a cookie tray with parchment paper. It doesn't really matter the size of your tray because you can bake several batches. Then I'll be adding 7 cups of quick oats to a mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and I'm going to use my hands to mix all that together. Just ensure that you wash your hands really well. And here I have 6 eggs at room temperature. Next, I'll add 3 cups of peanut butter to a stand mixer. I prefer the crunchy peanut butter, and I also like to use the one that's made just with peanuts and salt and nothing else. If you have a strong hand, you can do this process just with your hand and avoid using the stand mixer. Next, I'll add 2 cups of granulated sugar and 2 cups of brown sugar. Next, I'll add 2 sticks or about 1 cup of softened butter. Make sure that the butter is not too cold and not too soft, just at room temperature. I'll begin with a low speed and then I'll progressively increase the speed to medium and high. After about half a minute, I'll use a spatula to scrape off the sides of the bowl. And then I'll continue mixing it for about 30 to 40 more seconds. At this time, I'll reduce the speed to medium to add the beaten eggs. Next, I'll add 2 teaspoons of Karo Syrup and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Next, I'll add the quick oats. And as soon as I'm done with the oats, I'll add the chocolate chips. And then I turn off the mixer immediately. At this time, I will not continue mixing it to avoid straining the motor of my mixer. The cookie dough is very thick. If necessary, I can use a spatula to continue incorporating the chocolate chips. Next, I'll be using an ice cream scooper to form my cookies. And you can use any scooper size that you prefer, whether you like smaller cookies or larger cookies. I like to space them about 2 inches apart. And if any of the chocolate chips fall off, you can share them with other cookies. Now for the next step, I have about 1.5 to 2 cups of M&Ms with peanuts. And I like to add about 3 to each cookie dough. And as I add them, I'll be flattening the dough just very lightly. Now I'll place them in the oven and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, my cookies are ready, but they are not ready to be eaten yet as they are very crumbly. I will let them rest on the tray for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my next batch and I'll follow the same process. After resting for 10 minutes, they are ready for the cooling rack. And you can eat them just like this and they'll be nice and chewy with the crunchiness of the M&Ms. But if you prefer them a little bit firm, you can let them rest for about 30 minutes or an hour before you enjoy them. They are simply delicious. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. I hope to see you next time. Have a very blessed day.